up, YouTube? It's your boy Diverse. Good evening to y'all. Good afternoon. You know what I mean? Back again on another good afternoon with y'all, man. Hey, check it out, man. There's no such thing as a hopeless situation in your life. Don't ever think that it's hopeless. Don't ever let them count you out. You know what I'm saying? It all starts with your thinking. It all starts with your thinking. You manifest what you want, and you manifest what you don't want through how you think. So we got to start switching our mindset and our thoughts to the things that we expect to happen in life. We have to expect money, we have to respect money, and we also have to protect money. You know what I'm saying? Those three things: expect money, respect money, and protect money. You feel me? So I just want to let y'all know, man, that your thoughts are very, 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 very powerful. If you're going through a hardship in your life right now, or a certain situation, you got to think the opposite of that situation. Oh, it's going bad. If you think that it's going bad, it's going to get worse. So it's definitely in your best interest to switch your thoughts to something positive. It's going to get good. It's good. It's going good. Well, it's going to get better. You see what I'm saying? We got to start speaking into existence what we want. It says in the Bible, man, it says, speak those things that be not as though they were. In those scriptures, it was talking about a certain situation. I don't really want to get into the biblical aspect of what the scripture was actually talking about. A lot of scriptures we do take out of context, but like any other word or any other, what do I want to say? Like any other words, or because the Bible is spoken out of allegory, so it's saying something, but it's meaning something the opposite. It's always a deeper meaning. It's not just what's under the silver lining of what you see or what you hear. But what I'm trying to really say is you can pull out of that message and receive so much. You know what I'm saying? Speak those things that be not as though they were. If it's not going good in your life, you lost your car, you lost your job, somebody might have robbed you, took something from you, lied on you, cheated on you. It's best that you, instead of you dwelling on what they did or dwelling on the bad aspects of it, speak good things into your life. Speak positive affirmations into your life. You know what I'm saying? I am successful. I am graceful. I am peaceful. I am worthy. You know what I'm saying? I am prosperous. I am positive. I receive grace. I receive blessings. You know what I'm saying? You got to speak these things over yourself, because guess what? Ain't nobody else gonna do it for you. You know what I'm saying? You know, most of the time in this walk of life, man, you kind of on your own. It's a lonely walk. So you got to have your mindset intact to be able to survive a lot of these tough situations and tough cards that we get dealt in life. You know what I'm saying? So it's all about mind elevation. It's all about raising your vibration, raising your frequency, understanding that your words are very, very, very powerful. You know what I'm saying? You got to start taking initiative for the things that we say over our kids, over our future, over our life, over our present circumstances. You know, we got to take those things into consideration, because that's going to determine our longevity. That's going to determine how encouraged you stay in the fight. You know what I'm saying? So your words are very powerful, ladies and gentlemen. You know what I'm saying? So definitely take that into consideration. Keep your mind, your vibration up. You become the 5 people you hang around. So make sure you surround yourself with winners. Surround yourself with people that's enabling you, not disabling you. You know what I'm saying? Peace and love, y'all. 100. Like and subscribe.